गया है, हमें खुदा नजर नहीं आया, तो उन्होंने बुत परस्ती की। यहाँ पे उसके साइंस भी बने हुए हैं जहाँ पे उन्होंने बछड़ा बनाया था।
अच्छा, तो उधर से घूम के आ जाते हैं।
और ये देखिएगा पास यहाँ बैठे हुए थे और ये सीना है, यहाँ पे चढ़ के गया था।
तो ये यहाँ पर से जो ऊपर काला नजर आ रहा है,
जी जी, ये यहाँ पे खुदावंद ने अपने जलाल को ज़ाहिर किया था। अगर आप पास की गूगल मैप में देखेंगे, ये सिलसिला ऐसे चलता हुआ पीछे जा रहा है। खुदा ने कहा था मैं तेरे आगे चलूंगा। वो देखिएगा वहाँ पे भी ब्लैक पीक होगी, वो पूरा सिलसिला है जिसमें सबसे हाईएस्ट पीक है।
अच्छा,
मेरे साथ जो है ना, हमने आगे भी निकलना होगा।
तो सर इनको भी ले चलते हैं। रिलीजियस बैन भाई है, क्यों भाई?
हाँ, यस,
बताया ना।
We all are Christian. नदीम भाई को नहीं पता।
अच्छा,
हम जब जाते हैं ना बीच, तो हमारी लेडीज हमको वीडियो वाले
सर आप, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग करने लगा था, आप बताने लगे थे।
स्टार्ट।
maybe there is not only one person. They learned the skill from Egypt. Draw a drawing and work according to that drawing. One maybe because they are all drunk at that time. One was drawing maybe here. This is the legs. These are the front ones. This, you see the eye there? Yeah. This is the face. Yeah. The other drawing down. You see the tail? You see the tail? This is the tail. This is the back of the lamb. And you see these are the legs. Not legs. These can see. Yes. This is the belly part. These are the front legs. This is the mouth. And these are the
Face.
the horns. If we see from far away, the view will be clear.
Yeah.
And this we called it altar.
Altar of calf. La, altar of Moses.
बछड़े को क्या कहते हैं?
Calf. Yes, calf.
This is
Yes.
altar of calf.
Yeah.
We will see because they were all drunk. They were dancing. We can see other shapes there on the.
We are standing right on the altar which Aaron made to worship the calf, and right behind that we have a calf. On the other side we see the Mount Sinai,
अच्छा,
right
इधर
there
से।
where the Moses went.
वहाँ से
And God
इधर से।
here is right on the
जल्दी निकले।
चले।
अब हम लोग उस मस्बा पे हैं जहाँ पे बनी इसराइल ने बनाया था, बछड़ा बनाया था।
But you don't go all by yourself.
यहाँ पे उन्होंने बना के
I know. इसमें है तो यहाँ डांस से है ना यहाँ उधर क्या है?
और हम देख सकते हैं सामने उधर पहाड़ियाँ हैं।
Second part of heart.
मूसा अरून ने, हाँ, अरून का बछड़ा।
Ah, yeah, yes. That is a dancing place.
We're not going to dance. We're going to only dance for Jesus.
Yes, sir.
जो मेरे साथ पहले आए थे।
चले. आ जाओ.
Let me explain to you what is this place. This is the place. Remember when Moses went on the top. On the other side you can see there's a burning mountain because of the fire came. Moses went up to get the 10 commandments. And while the Israelites were here in this valley, and they were telling the Aaron, we don't know what happened to Moses. So why don't you make a calf for us? And this is one of the things we can see the designing over here. They made the calf here, and this was the altar they made.
Yeah,
You
the
know?
top of there.
On top of it there was an altar, and they were worshipping, they were drunk, and dancing naked. That was really happening over here. And they really
Already boundary, make a
went
boundary.
against God
Yeah.
and that was things happened.
ये बाढ़ लगी हुई है इसको, इस एरिया को और हेरिटेज
And
को
we
सेव
also-
करने के
This
लिए.
is the place of Mount Sinai, Horeb. This is the way it is.
Daddy, no daddy.
And the famous area is Jabal Luz, mean the mountain of the almonds.
Oh,
Yeah. हाँ brother.
Yara. Teacher le. Teacher le.
Yes, this is also sign.
Looks, this is really very flat from the top, you know, plain है. और यहाँ पर ही वो उन्होंने ऊपर यहाँ पर बछड़ा रखा हुआ था. और ये देखें.
They want to know about this one.
Okay.
Where's the Mount Sinai?
That is a Mount Sinai over there. The black, you know, see the fire came from heaven when God was visiting Moses, and they were up there. You know, Moses was up there for 40 days, and what happened? The Israelites were down here, and when he didn't return for after, you know, like within 40 days, they were really disturbed. They said, "What? You don't know what happened to Moses?" So they told Aaron, "You know, why don't you build a god for us?" So he built a calf. You see the calf over there, you know, right there, the picture, and they start worshiping that calf. They were drunk. They were dancing naked, and that's what was happening. And then Moses came down, and he broke those, 10 commandments. And that's what happened, and God really killed a lot of people over here. So it was not really a good place, you know. Okay.